in a case that captured the attention of many in 2022, the tragic kidnapping and subsequent murder of 8-year-old Lukhololwam Mkontwana has left the community of Nyanga in grief.
Yeah, over a year later, a suspect is expected to make an appearance at the Athlone Magistrate Court this morning. The family has been living with the torment of kidnappers demanding ransom of about 100,000 rand for the safe return of their child. Newzroom Afrika's Nasiphi Same is part of our team watching the story, and she joins us now live. And Nasiphi, perhaps it's worth taking us back to what happened in 2022.
Well, Ayanda, I think one can assume that the family is at least breathing a sigh of relief after the 8-year-old boy was kidnapped playing just outside his home back in 2022, around the 23rd of September. And following that kidnap, his mother relayed basically to us in 2022 how she received the call of that ransom of 100,000 rand, indicating to us that she couldn't even be able, to raise 10,000 rand, praying for the safe return of her son. 10 days later, community of Siqalo were notified, rather community leaders in Siqalo, nearly 10 kilometers away from Nyanga, were notified of a little boy that was found in an open veldt, and basically his body wrapped around in sellotape from head to toe. And many, based on, the media that was reporting on the kidnapping of Lukhololwam during that period, indicated that it might be him. And over a year later, in 2024 rather, police have made a significant breakthrough insofar as making an arrest in connection with the murder and basically kidnapping of Lukhololwam, who was an 8-year-old boy from Nyanga.
And it might be a bit too early to tell, Nasiphi, but do we know if there's any connection to the suspect who's appearing today and this 8-year-old?
At this present moment, the CPF, including those close to the case, have not indicated whether or not there is some sort of link, as we do understand that during that period there were a lot of whispers as so far as who could be responsible for the kidnapping of Lukhololwam. However, today it will all be revealed and laid bare at the Athlone Magistrate Court, and we will be keeping you up to date insofar as who has appeared and also some of the charges that they will be facing.
Yeah. In most instances like this, we also expect the community to have some kind of show of support outside court. Have you heard anything about that?
Indeed, we can expect the CPF to be here, or rather leading the charge of the people that will be supporting the family. And basically what we do also know is that during that period, the CPF, including the community, played a vital role in not only reaching out to the media to basically amplify and hopefully have somebody come forward insofar as the case was concerned, but also leading the charge in trying to communicate with the communities in the surrounding to try and keep an eye out for Lukhololwam. Basically, what we can expect in court is friends, family, including the CPF and the community of Nyanga. As you can remember, this was a story that happened in 2022 around September, and basically not only shocked the community of Nyanga but also the greater community of the Cape Town metropole, taking into account that during that period the cases or the spike of kidnapping cases were on a rise.
Sure. Really heartbreaking story, this, and thoughts certainly going out to the family who, without a doubt, are still trying to come to terms with what happened. Nasiphi Same, live to us there from outside the Athlone Magistrate Court. Thanks very much indeed.